Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can style this image and maybe add some border to it and then brightness this image in Microsoft Word, right? So in our previous tutorial, I show you how you can crop this image into a circle. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can add some style to it, maybe add brighten up a little bit and then add some border as well. So that's what you're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I already have my image right here, right? So now to add some styling, just select the image that you're trying to. So if you select that, you will see you don't have that. The moment you select the image, you see you got this picture tool already. So just click on that and then you have all these options, right? So to brighten the color up, right? So to brighten, let's say you can come to color, and then if you want to increase the brightness, you can choose that, and then just you have this option, and then as you can see, that is increasing the brightness, right? So let's say, let's maybe pick this one. We have that. Now you brighten it up a little bit. Now you can to add the border to an image, right? You have also this option right here, right? So click on that and then just select the color that you're trying to add to, and then as you can see, you have the borders right there, but you can change the border weight. If you want to increase the border weight to be able to see, you can increase the border weight like that, right? You can that, and then that's how you increase the border weight. You also have options here. If you click on some, and then you can click on border weight, you can, or you can choose this dotted if you want it to be indoor, or if you can click on the border weight, you can come to more lines, and then you have this option. So now if you choose on compound type right here, you have these options. Click on compound type and then you have these options right here. So let's say you click on that, and then as you can see, you have this type of border right there, right? So that's how you can add borders to it. So yeah, that's it. You can add, maybe style it, or add like some picture effect as well. Let's say maybe a bit of shadow to it at the bottom right there. So yeah, you add a shadow right there, and then yeah, so yeah, that's more about it. And then more changes, you can maybe change the color if you want to. These are just the colors that you can change to, maybe to gray. If you click on that, and then it will turn to gray. So yeah, that's just how you can format an image in Microsoft Word. Everything is just in this format tab right here. The moment you click on your image, this tab will just open up, and then everything is just here. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I see you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.